Okay, the next menu I want to spend a little bit time on that before we start the drawing is this view panel here. And as I said, this view panel control how we actually uh, see the object or drawing when we draw that. And it's going to be really helpful when we do the drawing. So let me go ahead and just draw a very quick simple box here. um, so assume we have a box like that. So look at that box here. If I come here and click on this very top drop down menu here, that's basically the visual style, it gives me how the different way that I can visualize this whatever I draw. So the very first one is the 2D wireframe, is the one that we are using it when we do the 2D drawing. So if I click on that, you'll see it only shows the edge and with the dark background. So that's very helpful if we do it in 2D drawing. Most likely we um, use this one. The other one that probably is very helpful is this one, the shade with the edge. Basically is that if you click on that, it shows the surface and it shows the edge as well. So you can use any of them. Or the another one, for example, this one is the X-ray view. It lets you to see what is inside the drawing. So for example, if you have any internal part that you want to see, such as the hole or something like that, so you can go ahead and click on that. So as you will see, it's just different way of visualizing what you are already drawing. So it's not going to change anything, it just change the way it's going to be shown on canvas. So most likely the one that we use it a lot is the shaded with the edge. This is probably the easiest one that you can see both surface and edges and work on that. But you can choose any of them that you feel more comfortable uh, uh, to work on that. So this is one of the way that you can change the style of um, the style that's going to be the object is going to present